We are here today to discuss what the F is going on with my eyelids. I have eyelids that just have so much skin. Unfortunately, I cannot afford a blepharoplasty, but I can afford TikTok, and I can afford to waste my money on PayPal. So naturally, me having the same makeup routine for the last 5 years and not knowing how girls do that whole thing where they look like Bella Hadid, I needed to try this. On YouTube there's like spoon hacks, but that seemed way too easy and I needed to make this more complicated. And thus...
So I invented Crease Piece, which is a cut crease creation kit. It has round, almond, and wing shaped creases. It completely revolutionizes how we cut crease. For the beginner, it completely eliminates guesswork.
I got the cut crease creation kit. It looks like so. It comes with the handle, the round crease set, the almond crease set, and the wing crease set. I really want to try the wing because I want to look like Bella Hadid, but I feel like I should start small and easy because honestly I have no effing idea what I'm doing. I can't do my makeup. I am going to try the almond piece. Okay, so then you just kind of press it onto there, I guess. Goes like this. I'm so scared. I want it to work. Okay. Oh, that is definitely way too high, right? I don't know. Oh. Oh my god. That looks dumb. Hi guys! Okay. Let me try again. After looking at it in the bathroom mirror, it still looks dumb. So let's get that taken care of. So I must have held it way too high, but like I'm scared because I have no eyelid space. It all disappears. So where do I hold it? Don't move. Okay. Don't move. I'm losing sight. It's all going blurry. Is this the right shape for my... I don't... But also, like, I wanted to create a new shape for my eyes. I want to be one of those girls on TikTok. Let's try the round shape. See if that bears fruit. So my dream is to have like that cut crease with a line of glitter on it. So beautiful. I want to be so beautiful and classy like the girls that do that. Ooh, maybe this looks better. Does this look better? I don't know. Again, it looks too high. But also, as we discussed, I have no eyelid. Okay. That's better, right? That looks goofy over here. Maybe it's not for small-eyed bitches. I don't know. I want to do the wing. That looks so bad. I can just tell. Am I inept? Maybe. Almond piece, right eye. Fucking ridiculous. Let's blend it out. Okay, I think I don't know how to do makeup. I think that's my conclusion. Because that looks stupid. And I really wanted this to work, and my heart is breaking. looks like I got dirt on my face.
I put on lashes and glitter, and I feel like a little bit like sexier, but mostly I still feel stupid, so it doesn't even look good. Yeah. I thought it would make it look better. I feel like it's kind of a Monet situation going on here. The lashes definitely give me more confidence, but I still feel like I have dirt smeared on my face. It is certainly a user error, and I certainly cannot find very many YouTube tutorials on how to make it look not bad. But follow Beautifuls on TikTok because girl's getting the bag, and good for her because that's a great idea. It just doesn't work for me. Okay, bye.